So today we discuss derivatives of functions in parametric form. What is the meaning of parametric form of equations? If x and y are expressed in terms of a third variable, then the third variable is called the parameter, and the equations containing the parameter is called parametric equations. For example, x is equal to at square and y is equal to 2a. Here x is in terms of another variable t, y is also in terms of another variable t. Here a is constant. Here t is the third variable. Here both x and y are expressed in terms of third variable t. So therefore, this type of function is called the parametric form of equation of a function. Right? How to differentiate this parametric form of equations? So method is first find dx by dt, differentiate x with respect to t. So dx by dt is equal to a into derivative of t square is 2t, that is 2a. Next, differentiate y with respect to t. So dy by dt is equal to 2a into derivative of t is 1. So therefore dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt get cancelled, we get dy by dt. Then what is dy by dt? 2a divided by dx by dt is 2at. So 2a get cancelled, that is 1 by t. Therefore dy by dx is equal to 1 by t. This is the method to find the dy by dx when the parametric equations are given. Again, what is parametric form of equations? If x and y are expressed in terms of third variable, either t or theta, such functions are called the parametric form of equations. Right. So exercise 5.6. Exercise 5.6. Question number 1. Find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. Question number 1. X is equal to 2a square. Y is equal to a t to the power 4. So clearly, here x and y are expressed in terms of third variable t. So clearly, this equation containing parameter t, such equations are called the parametric form of equations. So to find the derivative or dy by dx, we need to find dx by dt and dy by dt. So what is dx by dt? Differentiate with respect to t. Dx by dt is equal to 2a into derivative of t square is 2t. So that is 4at. Next, what is dy by dt? A into derivative of t to the power 4 is 4t cube. That is 4at cube. Therefore dy by dx is dy by dt divided by dx by dt. What is dy by dt value? 4at cube divided by dx by dt value is 4at. If 4a cancel, 1t cancel, that is t square. Dy by dx value is t square. Next, question number 2. Question number 2. X is equal to a cos theta, y is equal to b cos theta. X is equal to a cos theta, y is equal to b cos theta. Clearly, x and y are expressed in terms of third variable theta. Here theta is the parameter. Such equations are called the parametric form of equations. Here first find dx by d theta value. A into derivative of cos theta is equal to minus sin theta, that is minus a sin theta. Next, differentiate y with respect to theta. So b into derivative of cos theta is equal to minus sin theta. So that is minus b sin theta. So therefore dy by dx is minus dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. So that is minus b sin theta divided by minus a sin theta. Get cancel. Minus minus cancel. That is b by a. So this is the second question. Question number 3. X is equal to sin t, y is equal to cos 2t. Cos 2t. So this is also parametric form. In terms of the parameter is t. Find dx by dt value. So derivative of sin t with respect to t is cos t. dy by dt is equal to derivative of cos 2t with respect to t is minus sin 2t into derivative of 2t is 2. That is minus 2 sin 2t. Therefore dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. What is dy by dt? Minus 2 sin 2t divided by dx by dt is cos t. That is minus 2 sin minus sin 2t is equal to 2 sin t into cos t. Sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x into cos x formula divided by cos t. 1 cos t cancel. Minus 4 sin t. That is dy by dx value. Question number 4. X is equal to 4t. Y is equal to 4 by t. So find dx by dt and dy by dt. So dx by dt is 4 into derivative of t is 1, that is 4. dy by dt is 4 into derivative of 1 by t is minus 1 by t square. So that is minus 4 by t square. Therefore dy by dx is dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Here what is dy by dt? Minus 4 by t square divided by dx by dt is 4. That is minus 4 by t square into reciprocal of the denominator. So 1 by 4, 4 get cancelled. Minus 1 by t square. That is the fourth question. Next, question number 5. Question number 5. X is equal to cos theta minus cos 2 theta. Y is equal to sin theta minus sin 2 theta. So find dx by d theta value. Dx by d theta is equal to derivative of cos theta is equal to minus sin theta minus derivative of cos 2 theta is equal to minus sin 2 theta into 2. That is minus sin theta minus into minus plus 2 sin 2 theta. Next, what is dy by d theta? Derivative of sin theta with respect to theta is cos theta minus sin 2 theta is equal to cos 2 theta into 2. That is cos theta minus 2 cos 2 theta. Therefore dy by dx is equal to dy by dt, dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. Here what is dy by d theta? Cos theta minus 2 cos 2 theta divided by dx by d theta is minus sin theta plus 2 sin 2 theta. So this is dy by dx. Question number 6. X is equal to a into theta minus sin theta. Y is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. So find dy by dx. Here first differentiate x with respect to theta. So dx by d theta is equal to a into derivative of theta is 1 minus with respect to theta minus derivative of sin theta with respect to theta is cos theta. dy by d theta is a into derivative of 1 is 0 plus derivative of cos theta is equal to minus sin theta. So that is minus a sin theta. So therefore dy by dx is dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. Here what is dy by d theta? Minus a sin theta divided by dx by d theta is a into 1 minus cos theta. So a cancel, that is minus sin theta is equal to 2 sin theta by 2 half angle formula cos theta by 2 divided by 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. 2 cancel, 1 sin theta by 2, 1 square cancel. Cos theta by 2 divided by sin theta by 2 is cot theta by 2 minus cot theta by 2. So this is the sixth question. Seventh question. Find dx by dt and dy by dt. You solve that problem. Question number 8. X is equal to a into cos t plus log of tan t by 2. Y is a sin t. So find dx by dy by dx value. First, here x is a function of t, y is function of t. So parametric form. First find dx by dt value. A into derivative of cos t is equal to minus sin t plus derivative of log u is equal to 1 by u, that is 1 by tan t by 2 into derivative of tan t by 2 secant square t by 2 into derivative of t by 2 is 1 by 2. So that is a into minus sin t plus 1 by tan t by 2 is equal to cot t by 2 secant square t by 2 is equal to 1 by cos square t by 2 into 1 by 2, that is a into minus sin t plus 1 by 2 into cot t by 2 is equal to cos t by 2 divided by sin t by 2 into cos square t by 2. 1 square cos t by 2 cancel, that is a into minus sin t plus 1 divided by 2 sin t by 2 into cos t by 2 is sin t formula. So since your sin theta is equal to 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 half angle formula. So that is taking LCM minus sin square t plus 1 divided by sin t, that is a into 1 minus sin square t is equal to cos square t by sin t. So this is dx by dt value. Now what is dy by dt value? A into derivative of sin t is equal to cos t. So dy by dt is equal to a cos t. Therefore your dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Here what is dy by dt? A cos t divided by a into cos square t by sin t. A cancel, that is cos t by 1 into reciprocal of denominator sin t by cos square t. So 1 cos t cancel, sin t by cos t is tan t. So this is the dy by dx value. Question number 9. X is equal to a secant theta, y is equal to b tan theta. So first find dx by d theta value. Dx by d theta is equal to a into derivative of secant theta is secant theta into tan theta, and dy by d theta is b into derivative of tan theta is secant square theta. Therefore dy by dx is dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. Here what is dy by d theta? B secant square theta by a secant theta into tan theta. One secant theta cancel. That is b by a into 1 secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta into 1 by tan theta is equal to cot theta. Cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. 1 cos cancel. That is b by a into 1 by sin theta is equal to cosecant theta. So b by a cosecant theta. Next, question number 10. X is equal to a into cos theta plus theta into sin theta. Y is equal to a into sin theta minus theta into cos theta. Right, first find dx by d theta value, next dy by d theta value. Dx by d theta is equal to a into derivative of cos theta is equal to minus sin theta with respect to theta plus u into theta is a function and sin theta is another function. Using product rule, u into v. First function theta into derivative of sin theta is equal to cos theta plus sin theta into second function into derivative of theta with respect to theta is 1. So that is a into minus sin theta plus theta cos theta plus sin theta into 1 is sin theta. Minus sin theta plus sin theta cancel. That is a theta cos theta. Next, find dy by d theta value. Dy by d theta is a into derivative of sin theta is equal to cos theta minus of u into v formula. Theta into derivative of cos theta is equal to minus sin theta plus cos theta into derivative of theta with respect to theta is 1. That is a into cos theta minus into minus plus theta sin theta minus into plus minus cos theta into 1 is cos theta minus cos theta plus cos theta cancel a theta sin theta. Therefore dy by dx is dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. Here dy by d theta is a theta sin theta by dx by d theta is a theta cos theta. Cancel sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. So therefore dy by dx is tan theta. Next, question number 11. X is equal to square root of a to the power of sin inverse t. Y is equal to a to the square root of a to the power of cos inverse t. Show that dy by dx is minus y by x. This question is. So we can do this problem in two ways. First find dx by dt and dy by dt. Another method is multiply these two. What is x into y? Here what is x? Square root of a to the power of sin inverse t into what is y? Square root of a to the power of cos inverse t. X into y is equal to root a into root b is equal to square root of a into b. That is a to the power of sin inverse t into a to the power of cos inverse t. So x into y is equal to square root of a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n, a power sin inverse t plus cos inverse t. X into y is equal to square root of a to the power sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. So we have inverse trigonometric function formula sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. So sin inverse t plus cos inverse t is equal to pi by 2. Square root of a to the power of pi by 2 is a constant. Differentiate with respect to x. X into derivative of y is dy by dx plus y into derivative of x with respect to x is 1 is equal to derivative of constant, because root a power pi by 2, a constant, pi by 2 constant, square root of constant is constant, derivative of constant is 0. So x into dy by dx is equal to minus y, therefore dy by dx is equal to minus y by x. So this is very very important for exam point of view. So this is the 5.5 5.6 exercise. Thank you.